Hello friends, Nihar from here, and today we will be talk about load balance. Last video we already talked about target group. If you don't know about the target group, please check my previous video to know about the target group in load balance. Let's go to start this video. Guys, same thing I again repeat in here. After the login, you go to the service, and inside the service, all service, you will be find EC2. Just click the EC2. You will be get the same page. Right now, I am in here in my computer. Then after you have to, guys, you may be like similar page in here, and you have to scroll in below. After the scrolling, you can be see the load balance in here. Just go to and click the load balance. Once you click the load balance, here is the option is coming, create a load balance. Now you are going to create a new load balance. Click on that load balance. Once you click the load balance, guys, previous video we already read about the load balance, elastic load balance, that is HTTP and HTTPS, and the network load balance is TCP, TLS and UDP. And another one, I forget to discussion about that one is IP. And the last one we already talked about that classic load balance, but the classic load balance AWS is not recommend to use it. That's why we have to leave it. Now we have the three ones. This is very popular and frequently we have to use this one to create a load balance. But you know the TCP and TLS and IP, that is need to be configured, and the security you can be deploy some other project using this IP load balance. Now we are going to proceed in create load balance HTTP and HTTPS. Just click the create in here application load balance. Once you click the application load balance, here is asking the name. Now I am going to write in here fast up elastic load balance. Then here IP v4, then HTTP are the listener. I am writing in here HTTP because my security group is enabled as a HTTP. Here is the available zones. I am using all the zones. Then after here is you can be use the static IP, but you have to pay. That's why I am going to leave in here and click the next config, and again next config. And here is the security group. Just create a security group. I am just changing in here to 16, making a new security group. Then next click the security group. Then new here is the target group. Okay, so new target group, you can be create the target group. But guys, you know we already created target group. Okay, I am going to again open the target group in here. Then you can be understand well. New target group, not I am going to use not I am going to create a new target group. I am going to use this target group second and target group 1. Okay, just use existing target group, then it's automatically coming. Choose the available target group. Okay, which one I will be choose, target group second or target group 1 will be choose. First we have to use the target group 1. Okay, because we can be understand how the load balance is working on there. And just leave it everything. Click the register the target group. Only we have used this target group. This target group having a 1 instance. You have to remember. Then create this one. Now I am going to create it. Just close it. Then wait a few. Just taken a 1 minute to active this fast load balance. Okay. In the fast load balance, you can be check in here in the listener. You can be check. Here is your target group 1. Which one is target group 1? You can be check in target group 1. Here is only single instance, and go to the again target. You will be find here is the instance AK160. Okay, but if we will be deploy another one target group, then it can be number of the instance means 2 instance in there. First we have to wait to active. Once it will be active, the status will be say in here healthy, but still is not active. That's why we again go to the load balance. and wait for active this status. Just wait a few minutes. It will take in 1 to 2 minutes to active the status. So right now the status is active now showing. Let's go to the listener, and inside the listener this is our target group 1. Just click on that, then you see it. Click again the target, and the target status is healthy. Okay, now status is coming, it's healthy. Then again go to the load balance, click the load balance again, and here is the description. You can be see here is the DNS name. We have to check the DNS name, our status is working or not. Just copy this DNS name and paste in this browser, and wait a minute. Okay, now it's coming Hello World 2021. I already wrote in Hello World 2021. In this instance, which instance? You know the target group is there. Here is one instance. This is the one instance AK160. We already execute the command is Hello World 2021. Okay. So guys, if you want to add another instance, then you can be understand the load balance is maintaining from the AWS. That's why we are going to here I am going to register the target. Just click again. Once you register the target, we already add this AK160, but we are going to add another one, this info 160. Again include the pending below and register the pending target. Click it. Now we are initializing another one instance. This instance is info 160. Before was AK160. This info 160 having the only hello world. This is hello world 2021, hello world 2021. Okay, the executed command is. But once we will be active this info 160, it should be click. It's reflect hello world and hello world 2021. It will be reflect first hello world, then after will be reflect hello world 2020. That's why you understand the load balance is acting in the two instance. Now it's balancing the number of instance right now. Let's go to check is now the status is healthy. This info 160 is status is healthy. Now we can be again refresh this. You can be see hello world. This is the hello world is coming from which one? In instance info 160. Then again you refresh it. Again you refresh it. Hello world 2021 is coming from the instance AK160. That's why you understand the load balance is working. How is the load? Again, just refresh it, you can understand. There is two instances now working in here. Hello world and hello world 2021. So guys, this is the video about the instance, how to create a target group. Then after I talked about the load balance, how to manage the load balance. If you like this load balance video in the Elastic load balance, please subscribe me. And next video we talk about how to delete and edit, how to remove the target group, and how to manage the load balance. That's the overview I will be talking in next video. Till then guys, bye bye.